Hello everyone, welcome to Mattie's Zone once again. I hope you guys are having a great day. For today, we are going to review this loose figure, and it's the 2005 Godzilla King of the Monsters statue by Toho. And I bought this from a private seller. And yeah, as you can see, it has a very nice detail. Nice letterings there, King of the Monsters. You see the buildings, atomic heat came out from his mouth. And yeah, if you guys can check my other videos, we already did a review of the Godzilla King of the Monsters by NECA, which I bought from Amazon. This one is the one of the very first appearance of Godzilla. So I will show you more, okay, as we go along and do a review. Alright guys, so just follow me and let us review. So guys, this is the figure, and later on I'm gonna turn off the lights and we will see how it glows, okay? But for now, let's check this figure. Let's go with the detail. You can see here the color, the charcoal color of the monster. I like the nails there. That's one of his first appearance face, right? And the tail, and the dorsal fin. It's like a leaf or maple leaf shape, and it's bluish and white. And the eyes, not bad, right? And of course you can also see here the ears. And you'll see here buildings, right? It's a nice detail. I mean, this is very nice for display, okay? And here is a Godzilla. If you look inside there, very nice. And this one here glows, this dorsal fin, this one and this one. So what comes out on his mouth here is the atomic heat beam, or what they call atomic breath. It's a nuclear energy that generates inside his body, right? I like that bluish thing there on his chest. Okay, it comes with button cells, 3 button cells right here. So I'll show it to you later on. And it says here, Godzilla and the character design are trademarks of Toho Company Limited. Toho Company 2005. This is where the sound comes out, okay? Because when we press this, you see there's a word that says press, and it's gonna light up and it's gonna make some sounds, okay? But right now I will just show it to you, how it lights up and the sound. But later on we're gonna turn off the lights, okay? And so press this. So watch out for this dorsal fin, this one here, and this one. So I press it now, and there you go. You see it glows here. Wow, that's a good around 15 seconds, right? And there's no articulation on this monster here. I'll put it this way. So guys, let us measure the height first. It's 4 inches. And yes, we will turn off the lights, okay? And we'll see. Alright guys, so we'll press this building here. And there you go. Isn't that cool? All right, so now on the other side, you see the Godzilla there. Yeah. Wow. There you go, guys. A review on this loose figure, the Godzilla 2005 King of the Monsters. I hope you guys like our video today. Please leave a comment down below and I will get back to you, of course. And like and share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will get updated on our next videos. Okay, guys? Thank you so much for all your support. Okay? And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Keep searching and keep collecting, guys. Bye.